Hello, everyone, and welcome back to StartSpeak English, the place where you learn to speak English in a simple and real way. And that's completely okay, Mike. Making mistakes is part of learning. Today's episode is very special because we are going to talk about something very important. That's right, not just grammar, not just vocabulary, but how to actually use English every day. Exactly. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident speaking in everyday situations. And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to StartSpeak English so you never miss a lesson. Let's start with something simple. Greetings. Exactly. In English, we have formal and informal greetings. Formal means more polite. You use it at work, with strangers, or older people. You use informal greetings with friends or people you know well. Formal greetings: good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very simple. Hi, hello, hey. Yes, but be careful. Hey is not good for formal situations. Let's practice. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well, thanks. Yes, try to repeat after us. Good question. You need to introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Mike. I am Mike. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You can also add more information. I am from Morocco. I am a student. I work in a company. Keep it simple. Don't try to say too much at the beginning. That happens to many learners. Repeat after me. My name is. I am from. Nice to meet you. Yes, and you need simple English to communicate. Where is the milk? How much is this? Can I pay by card? It's in aisle 3. You're welcome. Notice something important. Excuse me. Exactly. Of course it is. I would like a coffee. Can I have a sandwich? That's all, thank you. Hello, what would you like? Anything else? Very simple, very natural. Yes, or even in your own city. Where is the bank? How can I get there? Is it far? Go straight, then turn left. You're welcome. Learn simple direction words. Left, right, straight. You're not alone, Mike. Many learners feel nervous because they can't see the other person.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mike, and I'm here to learn with you. And honestly, I still make mistakes sometimes. Yes, today we have a full guide to using English in real life. So if you ever feel like, I know some English, but I can't speak in real life, this episode is for you. And don't forget, stay with us until the end, because we will give you simple tips to think in English. Yes, this is the first thing you say when you meet someone. Okay, what's the difference? And informal? And informal? I like hey. It feels friendly. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Simple, but very useful. Okay, Anna, what if I meet someone new? Hi, my name is Mike. Nice to meet you. Yes, sometimes I want to say everything, and I get stuck. Okay, this is real life. Everyone goes to the supermarket. These are very practical. Excuse me, where is the bread? Thank you. Yes, we use it to be polite. Now, my favorite place? The cafe. I would like a coffee and a sandwich. No, that's all. Thank you. And easy to remember. This is important when you travel. Excuse me, where is the bank? Thank you very much. Yes, don't make it complicated. Anna, I think talking on the phone